Hello guys, another video from my car as every Friday on this channel, and today I'm announcing a small break from this channel. I have a family vacation, so from tonight I will be in Cyprus for 7 days, and I decided to take a break, take some rest after all that hard work related to Laravel 11 launch, updating the courses and stuff like that. So next week there will be no new videos on this channel. I will be back the week after that. And I want to leave you with a thought that went kind of viral on my Twitter this week, but not every one of you follow me on Twitter or read all of my tweets. So if you didn't notice that, the idea was for you to be more visible for developers. This is a general advice for your career, because I see a lot of developers work silently in their companies on their projects, but are not visible outside of their companies, which then limit their future opportunities in the future jobs. Imagine if you need to leave the company for some reason, whether you're fired or you want to leave yourself, and then you go out to the world and you realize there's nowhere to go directly. So there's no one to recommend you, to offer you a job or something like that, because no one directly knows about your skills outside of your company. And when looking for a job, whether you like it or not, the reality is that it's not only about what you know, but also about who you know, or more importantly, who knows you, who knows about what you do, your skills and talents. So that's why I recommend to participate and engage in conversations outside of your current work. Now, I'm not saying that everyone needs to start a YouTube channel, a blog, or tweet a lot. No, you can start really small by replying to tweets, by engaging in open source issues or pull requests, comment on tutorials, videos, or courses, share your opinion if you have opinion on something. And I know a lot of you are kind of afraid to be wrong. This is also very kind of popular in developers community. So what would others think if I post something that is incorrect? And to that I can answer that people don't really care about you as much as you think. Most of them are busy enough with their own lives. So yeah, if you're visible to other people, it doesn't necessarily have to be online actually. It may be in your local community. You may participate in a meetup, talk to more people, or even within your company you can organize some hackathon or talk more to developers from other departments or other projects. You never know what opportunities may come from that. So if other people are asked whether you have someone to recommend as a developer, they would remember that, oh, this guy or this girl I remember from a conference or from conversation or something. And in general, even without career opportunities, it's more fun if you just get out of the zone of your immediate project and talk to people about their perspectives, about their projects, their problems, try to help them, and just make your worldview a bit bigger. And with that, let's make a bit of practice. Please comment on this video, comment below. Anything you've learned about Laravel or outside Laravel, it doesn't matter, within the last months or even years, it doesn't really matter. Comment about anything that you have learned that you think would be beneficial to other people. It doesn't necessarily have to be huge. It may be a random fact. It may be a thing that you do differently than others. Just put yourself out there and comment with something valuable. It may be a really interesting discussion thread while I'm on vacation in Cyprus. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.